Good morning, students. Last class we have studied about kinds of noun. In that we have learned common noun, proper noun and abstract noun. Now we'll continue with the remaining nouns, that is material noun and collective noun, and also two more nouns are there, that is countable noun and the uncountable noun. So first we'll go with the material noun. Material noun. Material noun refers to a material or a substance from which things are made, such as silver, gold, iron, cotton, diamond, and plastic. A material noun is the name of particular kind of matter, that is copper, fish, milk, water, salt. Name of material nouns or substance used as ingredients for making things. So here material noun means from which material or from any substance it is made from, the thing are made from, that is called a material noun. So things are man-made things we can consider here, that is the gold, iron, silver, plastic. These are the man-made things. We'll see the sentence of it. First, I need some milk. So milk is the material noun. My mom purchased a gold ring. So gold is a material noun. Taj Mahal is built using marbles. So marble is a material noun. So for building a Taj Mahal, which material was used? Marble. My mom purchased a gold ring. So ring is of gold. So gold is the material noun. Next noun is collective noun. A collective noun refers to a group or a set of animals, person or things forming a unit. So here collectively used, that is the collective nouns, form of a group, and that group of set of animals is there, then it can be person or it can be things. So we'll see the example. For example, crowd, herd, bunch, fleet. So these are the collective nouns. So we can see a flower of bunch of flower. One, a pride of lions. So there are many lions. The group of lions is called pride. So that is the collectively we can see the name is given pride. A herd of buffaloes. So many buffaloes are there in a group that called herd. A shoal of fish. So these are called the collective nouns. Now we'll go for a next, that is the countable noun. Countable noun. Some nouns are nouns name things that can be counted. They are known as countable or a count names. You can use a or an before a countable nouns. Countable nouns can have plural forms. For example, one mango, an ox, 3 doctors, a few coins, many rivers. So countable nouns means you can count that nouns and you can use a or an before the countable nouns. For example, a few coins, an ox, 3 doctors, we can count that. So it is called as countable noun. Sentences will see. Alex has 4 pencils. So pencils we can count. So it is come in a countable noun. The book has 269 pages in it. So here underline word is the pages. So pages comes in a countable noun. Bring me glass of water. See here, water is not a countable noun. We can't count a water. We can't, if we 1 2 3 we can't count, we can count water. No, we can't count. But if there is a glass of water, it means it is countable noun, because the measurement is given here, glass of water. Okay, so this is the countable noun. Next is uncountable noun. Some nouns name things that cannot be counted. They are known as a uncountable or a non-count nouns. So that things or some the things that we cannot count, that is called the uncountable noun. You cannot use a or an before a uncountable noun. It means it is in a plural form. See, uncountable nouns do not have plural form. It is a singular. You can use much, a little, enough, etc. before uncountable nouns. So it doesn't have a plural form, it is in a singular form. We cannot write a or an before uncountable nouns. We cannot count that thing. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. In numbers we cannot count that thing. So what we say that you can use much, a little, enough, etc. before uncountable nouns. See, for example, a little salt. Salt we can count 1, 2, 3, 4. No. So little salt, a pinch of a salt, we can say it is uncountable noun. Some luggage. Enough coffee. So enough is the uncountable noun. We cannot measure it or we cannot count it. Sentences will learn. First one, I need some drinking water. So water is a uncountable noun. Before in countable noun I said it that if the glass of water comes, it is a countable noun. But when it is only water comes here, it becomes a uncountable noun. Have some juice please. Some juice is a uncountable noun. I need some rice, bacon, cream and oil. So it is uncountable. No measure is given here. Some. So it is uncountable noun. So understand here students. So we'll stop here and next and afterward we'll continue the lesson. Thank you.